Hey everyone, my name is Syabdadi Rafid. I will give my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking is not just an individual choice. This has far-reaching impacts on the collective health and well-being of our communities. Many campuses still face the presence of smokers who often ignore ethics, creating an unhealthy and uncomfortable environment for non-smokers. Smoking on campus is a complex and often controversial issue. Here, I will provide some perspective on this. The first, in my opinion, is that smoking is not only risky for the smoker himself, but also for those around him through exposure to secondhand smoke. Research shows that secondhand smoke can cause a variety of health problems, including respiratory and cardiovascular disease, which are major concerns in a campus environment that is supposed to support the health and well-being of students. The second, in my opinion, is that most students support a smoking ban on campus, recognizing that a smoke-free environment is more comfortable and healthier. However, there are also voices from student smokers who feel that their right to smoke is violated if there is no designated smoking area. The final point, in my opinion, approach between protecting public health and respecting individual rights. The implementation of effective policies coupled with consistent education and enforcement can help create a healthier campus environment for all parties. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is part 2, the usage of model and request word. My name is Chef Dadi Rafid, NIM 44241327, class 44.1D.01. Definition. In linguistics, modal are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. When used in request, modals can soften the tone and make the request more polite. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are special verbs that help express a speaker's attitude or opinion. They can also be used to express obligation, permission, ability, possibility, and probability. Modal verbs are also called helping verbs because they help to express a mood or attitude. List of modal verbs: can, would, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must, ought, could have, would have, should have, and might have. Modal verbs list function. I will explain several modal verbs and their function. The first, might represent possibility, explanation, or request something. Might represent possibility. Must indicate likelihood and obligation. Will represent the future action and used for making a polite request. Would the past form of will and used to request. Shall represent future action and ask a question. So used to give a suggestion or likelihood. Can indicate ability, possibility, permission, and request. Ought it shows obligation. Could shows possibility. Next, modal verb formula. I will explain the formula for modal verbs. In the first, modals present. Example of modals present: will, shall, can, might, must, So, formula of models present, subject plus model present plus verb 1. Example sentence of models present. I will go to Bandung tomorrow. I shall meet her tomorrow. In, in the second, models past. Example of models past, would, should, must, might, could. Formula of models past, subject plus models past plus verb 1. Example sentence of models past, would you please help me? When he come to my house, I should go. In the third, models perfect. Example of models perfect, must have, might have, should have, and could have. Formula, subject plus modal perfect plus verb 3. Example sentence of modals perfect, Anin passed the exam. He must have studied. Bara was absent. He might have been sick. Next slide, types of modal verbs. I will explain the types of modal verbs. Auxiliary modal verbs used to show possibility, necessity, willingness, or capability. Examples of modal verbs can, could, will, would, shall, should, might. Examples of modal verb sentence: she can sing very well. I could be there on time. I could be there on time. May I go with my friends, mom? Perfect modal verbs. Used to think about the past and wish you had made a different decision. Example of modal verbs: could have, would have, should have, and might have. Examples of modal verb sentence: I think he could have been more focused in the practice. Anto didn't pass, he should have studied. Next, probability modal verbs. Used to express an opinion of the speaker based on information that the speaker has. Example of modal verbs: my, must, might. Example of modal verb sentence: may I buy this book? May I buy this book? He must not jump over the fence. Might I offer you to eat this pizza with me? Next, permission modal verbs. A modal of permission is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to ask for or give permission. Example of modal verbs: can and may. Examples of modal verb sentence: can I borrow your phone? May I have a piece of cake? Next, obligation modal verbs. Modal verbs of obligation express something that must be done, often because of a rule or law, or because it's necessary. Examples of modal verbs: must and so. Example of modal verb sentence: you must stop when the traffic lights are red. You should study for the test on Friday. Possibility modal verbs. Models of possibility are auxiliary verbs that express the speaker's or writer's degree of certainty about the likelihood and of an event or situation. Examples of modal verbs: can, could, might, and might. Examples of modal verb sentence: she could be late. She could be late because of the traffic. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude for your attention and participation today. We have covered several important points regarding the usage of model in request word, and I hope this information has been valuable to you. Thank you. See you.